I told you all I was gonna make it when it reached the typhoon. Well, she just reached the typhoon. It did 160 miles per hour. So that would be, which would mean it would not be good, even though it wouldn't really affect. Okay, never mind. I take that back. It would affect places. For example, Okinawa was around 100,000. So this is Okinawa and this is Naha. Sorry. But it's projected to weaken it and make a weird turn, like up. Well, I say a little bit, it's gonna weaken. So this is where we're currently at. And you should expect an update by the time it reaches super typhoon. I will post it. A quick little look in on the earthquake. It was 6.3, but it was downgraded 4.9. It's angry. Full reports map for this update today. Okay. Yeah, goodbye.